Welcome back everybody to a brand new year of Lana Banana Science. Guess what guys, I'm in year 1 this year. Are you ready to do some fun experiments with me today? Let's get started. It's Lana Banana Science, it's Lana Banana Science, it's Lana Banana Science. Oh, welcome to my show. I wonder what an onion would look like under a microscope. Do you know what it looks like? Let me show you. Today we are going to use a compound light microscope. And we are going to make an onion cell wet mount. Let's look at our materials. We have a light microscope, a slide, a cover slip, and some pipettes, some tweezers, some betadine, some water, and lucky last, onion of course. Be careful guys with the cover slip and the slide because it's glass and it's very thin, and be careful, don't break it. First get your tweezers and pull off a very thin piece of onion. See how thin this is? Next, use your pipette to put 1 drop of water in the middle of your slide. Get a very, very small piece of your onion and put it on top of the water. Now, put 1 drop of betadine on top of your onion, very slowly. Carefully put your cover slip on top. How easy was that guys? And that is how you make an onion cell wet mount. Now let's look at it under a light microscope. Let me show you how to use a light microscope. First, turn the nose piece and click it 4 times. This is called the lowest power objective. Second, put your slide onto the stage and clip it with the stage clips. Make sure the onion is above the light. Now turn your line on. Turn the focus knobs towards you until the stage is all the way up. Now look under the eyepiece and turn your focus knobs away from you very slowly until you see it nice and clear. Wow, look at this! Now turn your nose piece to the 10 times objective and wait for it to click. And look at your eyepiece. Wow, look at that, guys. Finally, guys, turn your nose piece to the 40 times and click it. And you may need to focus a little bit. Here. Now that you're finished, put it to the lowest power objective, and then you can take away your clips like that, and then you can move your slide. Today we saw lots of onion cells. An onion cell is a plant cell. I drew what I saw. The circle is the nucleus. It's like the brain. And over here I have the cell membrane. And on the inside I have the cytoplasm. And in the outside I have the cell wall. Microscopes are so cool that they magnify things. The eyepiece is always 10 times bigger, and on the nose piece there is 3 objectives, and they are 4 times, 10 times and 40 times. The eyepiece times objective equals total magnification. The 4 times total magnification is 40. The 10 times total magnification is 100. The 40 times total magnification is 400. This means I can see the cell up to 400 times bigger. How cool is that, guys? And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked my experiment. Please subscribe and give me a bunch of thumbs up. Love Lana Banana Science!